How to upgrade your PalawanPay account. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your PalawanPay account. So to know how you can do this, watch this video till the very end. So you should follow some steps for that. The very first step is to open your PalawanPay app and log in. After you log in, you can tap on the Upgrade Now option. And after you tap on the Upgrade Now option, click on the Continue option to proceed the next step. Select the type of ID you want to use and take a picture of front and back of your ID using the application. Now click on the Next option to continue. Enter the personal details requested and tap the Next again for the final step. Now your application is done. Just wait for the PalawanPay to send a push notification to let you know if your verification was successful or if there is anything else you need to complete your verification for. So that was pretty easy. By following the steps, you will solve your problem. And I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.